Today we have eight question of physics and chapter is motion. And first one is a car moves 100 meter due east and then 25 meter due west. What is the distance covered by the car and what is its displacement? Then we have a north, south, west and east. A car moves 100 meter towards east. That means car moves 100 meter towards east and then 25 meter towards west and 25 meter towards west, east towards west. What is the distance? We know distance in first interval moves 100 meter towards east and second interval 25 meter towards west. Then x become s1 plus s2, that is 125 meter, and that is our distance total distance. When we talk about displacement, then 100 meter towards east, S1 is 100 meter towards east and S2 is 25 meter towards west. And here direction of west and direction of east is different. So we need to consider minus sign. X is equal to S1 plus S2. Then X is equal to 100 plus minus 25. Then X is equal to 75 meter towards west. In another question, a person walks along the sides of a square field. We have a square field and side is 100 meter long. What is the maximum magnitude of displacement of the person in any time interval? So we have a square, that means all the sides are 100 meter. All the sides are 100 meter. That means we have a short distance in this line that becomes, when we consider right angle triangle, this becomes hypotenuse perpendicular base. That means B H, and that is 90 degree. Usually we get from that we consider A, B, C. AC square is equal to root under AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to root under AB square plus BC square. That means 100 square plus 100 square root under AC. AC becomes 100 root 2. So this side becomes 100 root 2. This is what is the maximum magnitude of a displacement. We have a magnitude 100 root 2 and this of displacement of the person in any time at this time, not the position of ABC, just this time BC. We have a displacement 100 root 2. 100 root 2 displacement. In any time interval. In another question, an object moves through 10 meters in 2 minutes and next 10 meters in 3 minutes. Calculate its average speed. An object moves through 10 meters in 2 minutes and next 10 meters in 3 minutes. Find its average speed. So S1 is equal to we have a 10 meter and T1 B 2 B is equal to 10 upon 2 5 10 meter in S2 10 T2 3 so 10 into B B1 B2 3 B2 is equal to 10 upon 3 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 3 10 30 plus 20, 50 upon 6. We can directly solve it. 20 meter distance and 5 meter total time. So average speed is total distance upon total time. We can directly solve total distance upon total time. Total distance is equal to total distance is equal to 20 meter. First 10 meter in 2 minutes and last 10 meter in 3 minutes. 20 meter and total time. Total time is equal to 5 minutes. So average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. That is 20 upon 5. That is 4 meter. 4 meter per minute. 4 meter per minute. In the total days, the hare ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 km per hour, slept for 56 minutes, and again ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 km per hour. Find the average speed of hare in the race. Average speed. Again, we need to find total distance. Total distance is and total time, distance, total time. So average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 km. So S1 is equal to distance (7.5 into 2). 2 upon 60. Our 10 S1 is equal to 1 upon 4 kilometer. We all discuss as a unit in kilometer hour. S2 becomes S2 7.5 kilometer per hour into 2 upon 60 hour cancel, and that becomes S2 also becomes 1 by 4. So total distance upon total time. Total distance is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. And total time is 1. We can also write like this: 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 divided by 1. That's become 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So average speed becomes 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2, 0.5 kilometer per hour. Otherwise, we can also write 0.50 kilometer per hour. Another question. A bullet hits a wall. A bullet hits a wall with a velocity of 20 meters per second and penetrates it at a distance of 5 centimeters. Find the deflection of the bullet in the wall. Suppose we have a wall and this is bullet. Its speed is 20 meters per second and speed is u. Initial speed is u is equal to 20 meters per second and it penetrates 5 centimeters. Suppose 5 centimeters. Where will be 1 and 5 centimeters penetrates, and after that v is equal to 0. To find the deceleration of bullet, find the deceleration of the bullet in the wall. Of the wall. V is equal to u plus 80. If v becomes 0, u20 plus minus a into t, to 20 is equal to 80. So we need to relate with displacement. b square minus u square is equal to 2as and v is equal to 0. Finally, bullet stops at a distance of 5 centimeters inside wall. At a distance of 5 centimeters inside wall, v becomes 0. Final velocity becomes 0 and bullet is going to stop at this position. So 20 square 2 into a into 5 centimeter, that's become meter, minus 400 becomes a into 10, 1 by 10. A becomes minus 4000 meter per second square, and this minus sign, so acceleration, deaccelerate. Not accelerate, deaccelerate. A bicycle moves with a constant velocity. And another question. A bicycle moves with a constant velocity of 5 km per hour for 10 minutes and then deaccelerate at the rate 1 km per hour square till it stops. Find the total distance covered by the bicycle. Firstly, it moves constant velocity. There is no increment in acceleration, just constant velocity. So, S is equal to it has just speed, not velocity for 10 minutes. In an interval of 10 minutes, it has just a speed, not velocity. After 10 minutes, it accelerates at the rate of 1 km per hour square till it stops. Suppose it accelerates at this position till where v becomes 0 and is equal to minus 1 km per hour square. So S is equal to Vt. 5 into X is equal to 5 into 10 into 10 upon 60. That becomes 50 upon 6. 5 into 10 upon 60. That upon 5 upon 6. And in second one, ut plus half at square. That's become ut plus half at square. That's become ut. We have an initial velocity 5 km per hour. 5 into per hour. So we don't need to find out displacement in terms of coefficient of t. So we directly would v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where v is equal to 0, u is equal to 5 square is equal to 2 into a is equal to minus 1 km per hour square, and displacement is what we need to find out as 2. So minus 25 is equal to minus 2 s2 is equal to 25 upon 2. So total distance covered is s is equal to s1 plus s2. That's 5 upon 6 plus 25 upon 2. 5 80 upon 6, that's become 40 upon 3, that is kilometer. 40 upon 3 kilometer. In another question, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of a diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. We have a circular track. We have a circular track of a diameter 200 meter, and its radius becomes 100 meter. Its radius becomes 100 meter. Its radius becomes 100 meter. So, athlete complete one round in 40 seconds. So, one round, how much distance does it travel in one round? One round. 2 pi r, that is equal to circumference of a circle. 2 pi into 100, यानी 200 pi. 200 pi. And we need to find out t is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. That means 180 seconds. 180 seconds. 140 seconds. 140 seconds. We need to find out distance and displacement. So, S is equal to bt for a distance, that is that is 200 pi. B is equal to what? B is given. T is equal to 140 seconds. B is equal to 200 pi upon 140. seconds. 120. So, firstly, S is equal to bt. 200 pi is equal to V into 40 seconds. V is equal to 200 pi upon 40. We directly put 200 pi upon 40. 200 pi upon 40. An athlete complete one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Circumference 200 pass. Okay. 140 seconds. S is equal to waiting distance. दिया हुआ है S is equal to V is equal to 200 pi upon 40. 200 pi upon 40 into time 140. We need to find out as the distance at a 140 second, where t is equal to 140 second. We need to find a distance is equal to what. So we cancel out. S is equal to 100 upon 7 into 7. S is equal to 2200 meter. Now we need to find out displacement. We know displacement is the shortest distance, and we have a shortest distance 200 meter. So displacement is 200 meter. Displacement is 200 meter. Here we need to find out distance at an interval of 140 seconds. We need to find out. Here distance is not given. We need to find out distance at interval of 140 seconds, and this is 2 pi into 100. That is related with circumference of path. That is path. Distance 200 pi overall, and this is for t is equal to what? At t is equal to 40 seconds. When an athlete complete one round at an interval of 40 seconds, that is v is equal to 200 pi upon 40. Another question, a ball is dropped from a height of 20 meters. Suppose we have a ground and a ball is dropped from height of 20 meter. This is height is 20 meter. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of a is equal to 10 meter per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? And what time will strike the ground? So S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here initial velocity is 0, so it becomes 0. So S is equal to half at square. S is equal to what? 20 meter. 20 is equal to half into 10 t square. 10 to t square is equal to 4 and t is equal to 2 seconds. So it will take time to strike the ground for 2 seconds. Now what velocity? V is equal to u plus at. Now u is already 0, then 10 into t is equal to 2 second. So v is equal to 20 meter per second. In next video, we discuss about graphical method and Olympiad question.